Disney, Coco and Goofy's Goofy Day. Mickey and his pals are going to Star Lake this afternoon. It's Goofy's birthday, and there's going to be a big party. Look who's at the door. It's Coco and her mom.
Hi, Coco,
says Mickey.
Want to come with us to Star Lake?
Eek! Says Coco. That means yes. Coco runs to give Minnie a hug. Mickey notices Coco's colorful bracelet. It says diabetes. Eek! Eek! Says Coco's mom. Coco's mom says Coco has type 1 diabetes, says Minnie. That means she has to take special care of herself. Goofy looks worried.
Gosh,
Goofy says to Mickey,
maybe Coco shouldn't come to the party. With her diabetes, it might be kind of hard for her to play games. And what about all those treats?
Before Mickey can answer, Coco does. Eek! Yells Coco. Eek! Eek! Eek!
Don't worry, Goof,
says Mickey.
Coco says she can come to the party, play games, and have treats. Are you sure?
Goofy asks Coco. Coco is sure. She shows them her super cool backpack with her supplies for taking care of her diabetes. With her mom's help, Coco is even learning about checking her blood sugar. Come on, Coco, Minnie says. The sooner you and your mom check your sugar level, the sooner we can head to Star Lake for Goofy's party. Eek, eek, says a happy Coco. Coco and her mom plan Coco's food for the afternoon at Star Lake. Goofy is still worried, but then he gets an idea.
Let's bring this,
says Goofy,
in case Coco needs to rest.
When she sees the wagon, Coco says, Eek! She doesn't need it, but if Goofy wants to bring it, that's okay. They're on their way to Star Lake. Once they get to the party, Coco, Donald, and Minnie decide to participate in the sack race.
Wow,
says Clarabelle.
Coco sure can move.
Coco comes in second place. Eek, eek, shouts Coco as Clarabelle gives her a prize. After that, Mickey, Daisy, and Coco join in a game of musical chairs. Coco wins.
Huck!
Goofy laughs. The others hear him, but they don't see him. Where is Goofy?
Look at all these treats,
says Goofy.
You guys hungry?
Eek, 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 says Coco. She likes treats, but she'd rather keep playing.
Well, it's my birthday,
says Goofy.
So I plan to eat as much as I can.
Goofy keeps eating, and Coco keeps playing.
Boy, oh boy, Coco,
says Pete.
You sure are strong.
After playing at the dunk tank, Coco's mom helps her check her blood sugar. Then they decide what Coco will eat at the party. Coco and Minnie each have birthday cake and ice cream. Goofy has birthday cake and ice cream and cookies and lemonade too. When they're finished, Coco says, Eek! She's ready for more fun. Goofy says,
Gosh,
he's ready for a nap. Eek! Eek! Coco loves playing on the merry-go-round. Goofy usually loves it too, but not today. Uh-oh, Goofy doesn't look so great. He ate way too much. Eek! 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 Coco says.
You're right,
says Mickey.
Goofy didn't do a good job of planning his food at the party.
It's a good thing they brought the wagon. Somebody does need it, but not Coco. Eek! Says Coco. What a great time at Star Lake. Don't forget to check out the Super Thanks tab on my non-read aloud videos to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney, Mickey, Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney, Mickey, Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you and see you next time.